Nada. I'm going to take the air filter off. I think it's this bulb, but we're going to spray some carburetor cleaner in here. Do it again. Oh. Yikes. A little flame going on there.
Why is that?
That stuff catches fire.
Are you on? Oh.
Stop.
Dude, I gotta let that sit, man. I'm not just like...
Try it again.
No, I'm not letting it... It's gonna catch on fire.
No, it isn't.
Why would it catch on fire then?
Go again.
I got two that time.
Go again. Okay, it's not getting gas. So, we're just going to change the carburetor. It comes with this whole kit, the button and the hoses. I'm not going to mess around with cleaning it or anything. There's a bolt here and here, but the heads are different sizes. I'm going to take this one off also. And there's a fourth one here, so I'm not really sure which ones to take off. I'll take them all off. I have a feeling two hold it in, and then two attach it to the frame that's holding it in. It came off really easily. Okay, go. Okay. Here's the new carburetor. It looks really the same. This was in here and I just yanked it out. This must fit over something, so we have to be real careful. We have to make sure we're keeping track of how we're taking it apart. So we're going to need pliers to unclip this hose, and pliers to get this little cable out. We have a little clamp on this gas line. We've got a cup down here to catch the gas. No, we're going to have to finish getting this hose off. There we go. It's going to come out. We don't have that much fuel in here, so... Alright, we got a little spill, now we can take this off easily. Looks the same. Alright, so... we'll take this little thing and put it in here. I don't see any small O-rings or anything, so that just pushes in. That's all it does, push in like that. You take this, put it on here. Okay, nothing in the hole, nothing in the bottom. First pass, we're just gonna not change any of the hoses or anything. Just try to get this running. So first thing we have to do is put this little throttle cable on. Just hooks in here. Turns up. And we have to push into both of these holes. We'll do the bottom hole first. Slides in nice and tight. Here's the old cover. They gave a new cover. new filter, and this cap is sitting in here. So that cap has to go in here to replace this. There's a little slot inside here, so we're just gonna try to get it out. There we go. There's one on the other side too. Yay! Popped out. Yeah, this whole thing's got dry rot on it. It's rubber. That could be the problem. Okay, we looked at the old video. They point upwards, those little tabs. So we're going to try to get it to go in here. Get a bigger screwdriver. To get the fuel line back on. That just slides on there. Alright, I'm going to push this in this, make sure this exhaust hose, vent hose is on here. And then right here, these little pegs come in this little hole right here. Now we'll start screwing it. Now you can move the carburetor underneath here to make sure you get this hole lined right here. Okay, these two screws, this one and this one are the same. That's a big fat one, and that's just a different one. Now this says 3 pushes to prime it, but since everything is empty, we'll do it a couple extra. Now we'll move it back some and try to start it. Okay, let me get some more gas. Hold on. Oh yeah, talk to me. Good job. Oh, some people will take this thing apart, try to find a problem. Not my skill set. $15. Filter back on. 2 tabs in the bottom go in first, and then it just snaps on. So we don't need this button. We'll save that white tab for whatever reason in the lawnmower bag. There's some extra parts here. This is a lot thinner hose than what was on here. So this, presumably this model number, it's used on a variety of these motors, because this is a 500E and there's a 500 series. So some of them may use these other lines. So that wouldn't fit unless I took the hose off. So I think we're good to go.